Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What's up, bad boys? And it's coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Gwaan peeps, and we're there with another
Inside.
Brand new
inside,
banger.
Impressive.
yeah. But right before we get tonight, guys, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out your Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, right tonight. Alright, peeps, we're gonna react to some video that we got today. So here's the first one.
Ross, wait! Me, Ross, wait! Ross! Shush. I'm shut now, it's here, idiot.
What we doing?
Wait! I said that.
Andrew, see what going on here, man, Andrew? Andrew, yes! 94! Tell me I get caught, bumbugler! Rema people, them carry on and most kill them off a check. Andrew, them now here, social distance. Oh, yeah, they have a 24-hour curfew at Rema. They have a 24-hour curfew at Rema, Andrew! 24 hour! Hey! Look here!
Alright, guys, my whole reaction and words towards this thing is so when the cause pound yourself, when I fight the soldier and fight the police. Because I'm harder here in Rema people and Jamaicans. You know what I mean? And that's how it have to go. I'm gonna try for one, you know, and people them still not take the seriousness of the thing. So you know I gonna reach them? Destruction. I'm gonna ask you again as I continue telling you. What kind of future you want for the future generation? If there's a future left down in Rema or Jamaica and a whole. What kind of behavior that you go on with on the road? A fling stone off a police and I go on the worst way come on Jamaica. You can do better than that. What kind of behavior that? Eh? What kind of behavior that? My girl a run cross with a board and slap the soldier and the police. Suppose they get shot, miss. Because they just assault a police there saying. You assault even a soldier. You ever see a soldier walk around with handcuff yet? You know what's a soldier job? One of a soldier's duty, miss. Eh? And not because, I'm not saying not because you live in the inner city of a behave so. But it's a mentality thing. You know what I mean? And your behavior, how them are going, is a fully done behavior. You know what I mean? I'm not say uno fully done, you know. But I say it's a fully done behavior. When you clearly ignorant to what Gwaan. I'm not take the thing serious, man. And yo, I feel sorry for the good people them down there who are try, you know? But for the rest of the people them, I don't feel sorry for you. The little boy all a ball out for help and I say Andrew Wellness, see it here, 24-hour curfew. Cause of no behavior and how now go on. Yeah man, low up the fully done behavior man Jamaica and they can do better. Stop behave so. There's a reason and a slavery. It's a big deal. Clearly we don't know what's going on. Clearly. Because we just step on the road and want to do anything. We don't practice no social distancing. And the woman them have one way like and I move like mad people Jamaica. You know what I mean? And then, yo, anyway, I have nothing else to say. May God help us, you know what I mean? But anyway, peeps, put your comment down below. Let me know how you feel about the matter. I'll let you just reason from right there. Alright? So thank you very much for watching. And go on journey there, boy. Shoo!
Releasing dopamine.